behind such a thumping performance against Pakistan in Pakistan?
Uh, Nothing different. I think the motivation was the way all the players prepare themselves in our country. That is very important, and that time that every player believe that we can beat them. And before we start this series, I told in the press conference that record can be broken. So that because of we know how the players prepare themselves very well. That's why I told him. So it's very important for us, and we are very happy.
Captain, first of all, congratulations for a historical win.
Thank you.
Your performance is himself is a big lesson for the youngsters. 448 declare, 265 for 5, then you lead and wins the match. 26, 6 out, and then you people wake up and wins the match. What is the theme behind all of a sudden your team is going better and better day and day?
I think very important belief. I think every single player believe that we can come back anytime, because as you know, Miraj came and bat number 8. So the batting depth we have, we all believe that if anyone gets set, they can make big scores. So very important that every single player believe that we can come back anytime.
Hey Shanto, Mehdi, this is Bahram Qazi from Pro Sports. Congratulations on a historic test win, your first ever test series win versus Pakistan in Pakistan, and third away series win ever. So you were 26 for 6 in this particular game. Talk to me about what sort of team talks you guys had to bounce back from that position. And Mehdi, I don't think you've ever played better in any series, you know, with both bat and ball. So what are your feelings after this performance? And, you know, what do both of you feel as Bangladeshis, given that the country's gone so much and this victory has come at the perfect time for you guys as a nation?
Okay. So after losing 6 wickets, as I mentioned before, we still believe, because he mentioned one thing before he went to bat. He mentioned that me and him and Litton will do the job for the team, and those guys did before as well, but this is impressive. And as I mentioned, that belief they have, and the dressing room, it's been very different this time. And I'm not lying, we are very behind, and we are little bit nervous that time. But the way Miraj and Litton batted that moment, I think after 10-15 overs we are in a good position, and we believe that those guys make us in a good position.
Alhamdulillah, already Shanto mentioned that, so I was a little bit nervous that time, because you know, sometime when you're going to batting, so I just discuss about our partner, so he just tell me just keep quiet and just play positive. So it's not our hands, so getting wicket 6 wicket, you just try to get some good balls and just try to get some runs in the scoreboard. Definitely you can come back.
Mehdi Abubakar bin Talat here. You made the bat and ball look so easy in the 2 test matches. What was the special ingredient behind?
Sorry again. Actually, it's not easy job, you know, because I always try to play positive, and it's been difficult to play in this surface, you know. I just always think about all the time positive, so I never think about negative, because if you think negative, definitely you cannot perform well in these conditions. So I'm just try to always get confidence.
ক্যাপ্টেন, আচ্ছা শান্ত, ইমোশনটা কীরকম ছিল খেলার শেষে, কিংবা মানে যখন সাকিব আর মুশফিক ফাইনাল রানটা নিল বা সাকিবের 4 হলো, এটা একটা, আর মনে হয় প্রধান উপদেষ্টা তোমাকে ফোন করেছিল, ওইটা সম্পর্কে যদি একটু বলতে।
ইমোশনটা আসলে মুখে বলা মুশকিল, কঠিন হবে, কারণ এ ধরনের অ্যাচিভমেন্ট আমার কাছে ব্যক্তিগতভাবে আমার কাছে বাংলাদেশ ক্রিকেটের ওয়ান অফ দ্য বেস্ট মুভমেন্ট আমার কাছে মনে হয়। আর মুশফিক ভাই সাকিব ভাই যখন ব্যাটিং করছিল আমরা সবাই ড্রেসিং রুম থেকে যাচ্ছিলাম যে এই দুইজনই খেলাটা শেষ করুক। এত বছর ধরে ওনারা বাংলাদেশের হয়ে খেলছেন, কত ম্যাচ জিতিয়েছেন, বাট এ ধরনের ম্যাচ জেতা একটা অনেক স্পেশাল, এবং আমরা সবাই যাচ্ছিলাম এবং আলহামদুলিল্লাহ সবাই অনেক খুশি। হ্যাঁ, আমাদের ডক্টর ইউনূস স্যার কল করেছিলেন, কংগ্রেচুলেশন জানিয়েছেন টিমের সবাইকে, ওনারা অনেক খুশি এবং দেশে আসলে দেখা করতে চেয়েছেন পুরা টিমের সাথে।
শান্ত, জাস্ট একটা জিনিস, সরি সিরিজ শুরুতেই প্রশ্ন করেছিলাম, টেস্ট জিতার পরেও দেশের মানুষের জন্য এটা কি তোমাদের একটা গিফট? নিশ্চয়ই।
অবশ্যই, আমি সেদিনও বলেছিলাম এই কথাটা। আমার মনে হয় এই জয়টা দেশের মানুষের জন্য অনেক আনন্দ বয়ে আনবে, কারণ যেভাবে লাস্ট কিছুদিন ধরে বন্যা বলেন বা আন্দোলনটা বলেন, অনেক মানুষের অনেক ডিফিকাল্টিসের মধ্যে দিয়ে যাওয়া লেগেছে, বাট যেভাবে আমরা ম্যাচটা খেললাম সবাই, আমার মনে হয় যে একটু হলেও তাদের মুখে হাসি ফুটবে। এবং আমরা সবাই জানি যে ক্রিকেটের জন্য কত পাগল আমাদের দেশের সাধারণ মানুষ, সবাই আমরা ম্যাচ হারলেও যেভাবে আমাদেরকে সাপোর্ট করে। সো আমাদের ওটাই চেষ্টা ছিল যে কিভাবে দেশের মানুষকে কিছু একটা আমরা দিতে পারি। তো আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আমার মনে হয় আমরা ভালো কিছু করতে পেরেছি।
Santo, this is Asghar Ali Mubarak, Delhi Mir Islamabad. When you came here, the Bangladeshi people was very in miserable, painful condition politically and flood there. Now, how you describe your victory?
Very important. I think everyone last last 1.5 months, everyone struggle a lot. But we all know cricket is very emotion things in our country. So I hope they will get some smile because of we win this series, win the matches, and we are very happy that our crowd gets some happiness in their faces.
Hey Shantu, congratulations for a great victory here. So in the second innings, your bowlers kept their bowling line outside off, and 6 to 7 batters of Pakistan fell in that trap. So there was some homework must be behind this, or must be planned according to the conditions. Can you please explain about that?
Yeah, obviously I think we read the condition very well. I think every bowlers did their job, and we know there is some little bit movement on the wicket, so we just try to bowl the channel for long time, not like 1 or 2 overs, and then we talk about patience. So the bowlers did lot of hard work, and that's why we got the result. Thank you.
Thank you.